Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will compare Audi A6 versus Mercedes E-Class drag race full comparison. Start by watching the launches and listening for traction cues. I walk through each car's 0-60 run, discuss gearing, torque delivery, and tire grip. Pay attention to launch RPM, brake bias, and driver inputs that change results. By the end, you'll understand which model is faster off the line and why. We break down performance by engine character, transmission logic, and traction management. I describe how torque curves shape throttle response and why gearing shifts matter in each sprint. We'll analyze curb weight, aerodynamic drag, and tire widths to see their effect on elapsed times. I also explain how electronic aids like launch control can mask mechanical limits but still change the winner in close races. If you are finding the video helpful, please subscribe and hit like to support the channel. Quick recommendation: bento box make meal prep easy with these leak-proof containers that save time and stop sauce spills after a long day at the track. They stack neatly in the trunk, keep lunches sealed, and are perfect for pit lane snacks. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. I walk through step-by-step launch technique that improves reproducibility and reduces wheel spin. Learn the best RPM window, how slight brake modulation helps automatic launch control, and when to alter throttle input. I'll cover how tire pressure and surface grip change outcomes and suggest simple pre-race checks. These tips help you see which car is truly faster versus which one relied on perfect conditions.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.